Alright, we got this thing from the dollar store. We're gonna test how loud it is. It claims 100 decibels, but honestly, I highly doubt that since it's from the dollar store. It's a personal security alarm. This thing better be loud as frick. So, yeah. Alright, we're gonna test it in 3, 2, 1. Wait, what? What? It's not. Is it this? Oh, bro, I'm dumb. Hold on. Okay, I got it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. What? Hold on, what? Oh. You have to pull this thing. This is gonna be fun. It's like a grenade. Oh, come on. That's cute. That's just cute. That's not even loud. Yeah, that's just hilarious.